Hello everybody, today we're going to teach everybody how to make a quick and easy breakfast 2-minute scrambled eggs. All you need is a microwave, 2 eggs, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Let's get going. First, you're going to crack the egg into a small bowl. And then you're going to pour in the 2 tablespoons of milk. And whisk away. At this time, you can choose to add some salt to it if you want, but typically I just prefer to have it plain and with some ketchup on top. Now time for microwave. Put it in there and then put 2 minutes and just microwave for 2 minutes, and we'll be right back. It's still going. Okay, it's now after 2 minutes, and look at how beautiful this is. Remember everybody, your microwave functions differently than ours, so remember to adjust your time accordingly, okay? Alright, let's flip on over. Okay, now it's flipped over. You can eat it exactly like this, or just add some ketchup and you're ready to go. But typically my husband likes to eat something with cheese in it, so let's show you the cheese version. We're going to add cheese in. Add a little bacon. And microwave another 10 seconds. Okay, now 10 seconds. We're going to add some salsa on top of the egg cheese mix. And there you go. Now you have your fancy scrambled egg with just under 2 minutes, 10 seconds.